Hello, Blue Ocean of Compliance readers. Yes, I really travel a lot, and I love the things and sites I visit. Yeah, compliance is always there in my mind and my soul. That yes, we as a quality professionals and compliance professionals and pharma professionals have to manufacture the good quality of the medicines, so that everyone can be safe and get the good quality of the medicines. And compliance is not which you will just get in one day or one night. I become happy to see that whenever I tell people about the areas of improvement, and they take it positively and they keep on improving. So the person who is always ready to get the feedback, so that person grows in his or her life. The person who do not like feedback and always get irritated, oh my god, a lot of improvements are to be done, or keep on justifying the things, so there is a less possibility of growing, or the speed of growing will also decreases. It is a way of life, and yeah, we have to work every day like we breathe. So that is the rule of compliance. And if you think that yes, you only one day you will do something and you will get great success in compliance, so that is not the fact, but it is only the delusion. So that message I wanted to give every one of you who is working in pharmaceutical industry. And I love to work for the compliance. Many years before I was thinking to leave pharma, but yes, when I understood the importance of compliance, so everything is changed, all world is changed, and I'm really enjoying working for it. And yes, every company is getting benefited, company get business, professionals become successful. So really I love to work for the compliance and quality. So that message I wanted to give every one of you. And you also make, if you are working in any of the department, yes, but still compliance should be the part of your life or part of your professional habits. Okay, so that message I wanted to give every one of you. Okay, bye.